Introducing the AIO-200-MX series IP65 touchscreen monitor, delivering industrial-grade durability and precision touch control ideal for various rugged industrial applications. Designed as display solutions from AIO-200 touchscreen computers, these monitors offer the same reliable and durable screen. Featuring 3 display sizes options, high resolutions, and bright nit levels, this touchscreen monitor is perfect for wide HMI applications. It is also equipped with 10-point PCAP touch, delivering seamless and precise touch control. Built for durability, the screen features 7H hardness, an anti-glare surface glass to enhance display clarity, and IK07 impact protection for extra ruggedness. The front panel is IP65 rated for water and dust resistance. Supporting multiple mounting options such as panel mount and VESA mount, the AIO-200-MX series allows for secure and space-efficient installation. Built for industrial computing hardware, this touchscreen monitor provides versatile I/O ports, allowing users to connect it to external computing systems for greater flexibility and seamless integration suited for industrial automation and control systems. Built with reliability and durability, AIO-200-MX series meets global safety standards with wide operating temperature support, robust shock and vibration resistance, make it a perfect choice for harsh and rugged environments. The AIO-200-MX series is designed for a variety of industrial applications, making it suitable for environments where real-time data processing at the edge is essential. Built rugged, built ready. Integrate the AIO-MX series touchscreen monitor for your industrial HMI applications.